Hi, I'm Amber Worshen, Director of Amber Worshen Property and Sunshine Coast Zone Chair for the REIQ. Welcome to the first in a series of what will be quarterly market reports designed to give you a snapshot of the health of the Sunshine Coast property market. Today, I'm focusing on the third quarter of 2015, that is July to September, which has been pleasingly buoyant right across the coastal strip and hinterland. The Sunshine Coast continues to record growth with sales activity up and buyer confidence high. Whilst there has been a stock shortage in some sectors of the market, overall there is a good balance between current levels of supply and demand. Properties with a professional and polished marketing campaign are still attracting high volume of inquiry and premium prices, especially in a multiple offer situation. Most buyers are still owner-occupiers, with investors remaining in the minority, which is somewhat surprising considering the tight rental market and attractive yields. The massive infrastructure projects on the Sunshine Coast, particularly the multi-billion-dollar university hospital development, has generated employment growth and subsequent economic benefits to the local region, which of course has also impacted on the property market. Other projects such as Aura in Caloundra South, the evolving renaissance of Maroochydore, and the upgrade to the Bruce Highway between Caloundra and the Sunshine Motorway will also have a positive impact on the economy. Both the housing and unit market have performed well and experienced growth in demand and prices. The rental market is extremely tight with low vacancy rates as low as less than 1% in Caloundra, and there has been an increase in demand for executive and prestige rentals, a sector that has suffered in previous years. Many buyers relocating from other areas rent before they buy, so demand will continue to remain strong as the population grows in these areas. Gross yields have also remained steady at 4.4% and 4.9% for houses and units respectively over the quarter. To give you an idea of some of our sales across diverse price ranges and locations, during the third quarter of this year at Amber Worshen Property, we have achieved some of the following prices. Sales architect Mark McGill and I marketed 2 luxury house-size Alexandra Headland apartments in Mayfield Street. They showcased premium fixtures and fittings in the sought-after Golden Triangle. Both sold just shy of $1 million. These were iconic properties for sale in Alexandra Headland and the first time that they have come to the market in 10 years since the owner initially built. With 149 inquiries, 139 inspections and 7 offers, this is an example of how the prestige market has picked up and a testament to the attractiveness and appeal of blue chip locations. Agent Corinne Wright achieved a street record where she sold a sophisticated beach house in Majimba, 36 Kawana Street under the hammer for $925,000. This property attracted a massive 74 inspections in 4 weeks with multiple offers prior to auction. At the lower end, Corinne also sold 4 of 6 Power Court, a 2-bedroom unit in Mount Coolum for $300,000, which was $20,000 above its listing price due to a multiple offer situation. Back to the prestige market, Jared Young sold well-known Australian artist David Hart's opulent family home at 18 Mannequin Road. It was in a leafy pocket of Tanawar for $2.2 million after taking over from another agent and selling it within weeks. Jared's marketing campaign is to be commended and generated a significant volume of inquiry within a short period of time. The owners were extremely impressed. Beachfront is always in high demand, particularly the strip between Point Cartwright and Watella. Anything along the Pacific Boulevard is real estate gold. 48 Pacific Boulevard, Bedina, sold for $1.23 million after a massive amount of inquiry, including 7 registered bidders, 2 of whom inspected for the first time on auction day. 5 Gilbert Street Budrum sold under the hammer for $570,000 after being tightly held for over 3 decades. There were multiple offers prior to the auction and the elderly couple were ecstatic with the result. These are just a few examples of the type of results we've experienced in the third quarter of 2015. Every property has its own story and its own journey, right from listing through to sale. But one thing we pride ourselves on here at Amber Worsham Property is facilitating that journey to achieve the optimum result for you. It's all about you, and we value your business. The first quarter of 2016 looks very promising indeed, and we expect the momentum to continue well into the first quarter. Whether you're buying, selling or renting, take advantage of our expertise to achieve your property goals and call the agency consistently setting new standards for results and service. See you next time.